But did you know in 1937 it was illegal to wear shorts in Yonkers, New York? Yonkers. Hello, I'm Judy. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. So in today's video, I'll be showing you different folding techniques to folding different type of shorts. So if you're ready to become a folding pro, let's start folding. Come on. Fold number one. Step one, you're going to lay your shorts flat on a flat surface, like so. Next, you're going to flip it over and you're going to fold the waistband down about 2 inches to 3 inches. And then you're going to flip it over so now your shorts are facing up. Step three, you're going to fold your shorts into thirds, like so. 1, 2. You may need to adjust a bit because you want to make sure that the top portion is inside of the bottom portion. And this is what I mean. Step 4, you're going to take the bottom of your shorts and you're going to fold it up 1 to 2 times, depending on the size of your shorts, meeting the waistband. Flip over the waistband as you tuck in your shorts, adjust as needed, and you are done. You may need to do this fold a few times before you really master it, but once you master it, you'll definitely be a folding pro. All right, let's test it. Will it stand? Let's see. Yep, it's standing. Yes. This fold is ideal for those athletic shorts that are pretty loose and have no structure. Plus, it makes folding them a bit more fun than usual. Fold number 2. So step 1, with your shorts folded in half vertically, you're going to take the crotch portion and fold it in like so, creating my favorite shape, a rectangle. Next, you're going to fold down the waistband, creating an even smaller rectangle. And step 3, you're going to take the bottom portion of your shorts and you're going to fold them up into the top waist pocket. Make sure you fold it into the top waist pocket to ensure the fold is firm. And you are done. This fold is perfect for those thick shorts and those jean shorts. This is probably my favorite fold. So if you've gotten this far, you are becoming a folding pro. And with that said, go ahead and subscribe right now. All right, let's continue folding. All right, fold number 3. So first and foremost, lay your shorts flat with your shorts facing up or the right side up. Step 2, you're going to take the left side and you're going to fold it over into thirds, meeting the right side, like so, creating a rectangle. Step 3, you're going to rotate your shorts so it's horizontal, and then you're going to fold down the waistband and then fold up the shorts into the waistband, tucking it inside. I folded the bottom portion a bit to make it easier to tuck into the pocket. You don't have to do this, of course. You can just tuck it in there. It will fit in there, but I wanted to make it a bit simple. As usual, adjust, and then you are done. Look at this beautiful fold. Oh, let's test it. Will it stand? Oh, let's see. Yep, it's standing. Yay, I did it. I would recommend using this folding technique for the more stretchier shorts or the biker shorts. Welcome to the bonus fold. Fold number 4. So step 1, with your shorts facing up, you're going to take both the left and right bottom of the shorts and you're going to fold them up, creating a triangle. Can you see all the triangles? 1, 2, 3. Step 2, you're going to take the left side and right side and you're going to fold them into thirds. Step 3, just like the previous fold, you're going to fold down the waistband and then you're going to fold up the shorts into the waistband, tucking it inside. adjust a bit, because you gotta adjust. You always have to adjust, and then you are done. This folding technique is also great for those workout shorts, those more looser shorts. But honestly, I tried this technique with all of my shorts and it folded them perfectly. All right, so let me know in the comment section below which fold was your favorite and which one was the easiest out of the 4. Also, let me know what item I should fold next. Leave it below. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.